petrol. Yeah, thank you. That box is still there. Whiffs.
Yeah. I remember every time I see that box, I remember Gary Smith, the king of Smith.
We used to buy him loads of Smiths.
Yeah, but now I think it's not. He's not drinking a lot today.
No,
And
I'm not buying it out of preference. I'd rather buy him food.
Yeah, he needs food, honey, to gain weight.
Oh, vans and headlights and cars and everybody else. Thousands of them. Loads of them, Gate. The traffic is
You're
heavy.
still quick, honey, no?
Yeah. There's loads of cars, loads of traffic.
Loads of people,
Yeah, too many people.
too many.
Everything's incorrect.
Do you remember that cobblestone?
Yeah, I do, and I don't like it.
It's they using their ano,
I don't like it.
use oil.
Now he's gone out.
Go go
I'm
go go
going
go
out.
go go go.
See, we read points, don't we? He's gone out, I'm going out, everybody's going out. Now someone said,
Uh-huh.
pointed out a thing, why does everybody drive with no backlights on these days?
Mm-hmm.
When it's, you need to put your lights on. You know why?
Right?
Because people are using daytime running lights.
Yeah.
Like we are. Like everybody is. Look, they've all got them, if you look, they've all got them on, but they got no backs on.
Yeah.
Because it's only the headlights they've got on. Called daytime running lights. Now daytime running lights don't affect the back.
Yeah.
It's the story.
At this time. Oh, every time I think about driving. Oh, I feel honey. I feel mad about my old driving stuff. Fucking 3 years.
Yeah, I've gone here.
Okay.
That's it, I've gone here and I'm here.
So,
Thank you.
punta tayo dito. Jeez. Ow. Muntik na. Yan natin dito ba? Punta tayo dito. May ako ng logo. Ayan nga, tignan nyo. What is this? Ayan o. Biggest bus. Alak ata yun eh. Mukhang alak. Ang cute naman ito. Look, how much is this? You know, cute oh. How much is this? Ang ganda nito sa bag. 350. Ang cute. Tingin tayo, baka naman tayo imabang pa. Bawal mag-park dito. Mag-park siya dito. Hindi siya pwede mag-park. Pero nag-park siya. Ganoon talaga. Paminsan-minsan maging matigas yung ulo natin. Nakakatawa. Ang cute ng aso. I'm done! Oh, uwian na naman. Mag-seatbelt tayo. Para hindi tayo mahuli.
Yeah, I mean, you can imagine it getting a bit frightful, can't you?
I like a photo.
On the other hand, how can you
Getting out of here.
have the power to do dramatic things?
Well,
Ayan.
thank you very much indeed. Thus far. Keep it going. That's any thought. Donald Trump defamation lawsuit against the corporation is thrown out. Mr. Trump's multi-billion-dollar defamation claim is in response
Napakakulimlim.
before the Capitol
Si Gloomy Honey, no?
an episode of Panorama
Very
which shows the
gloomy.
re-election.
Itong school.
Security advisors are expected to hold court to discuss options.
Some jobs going on here.
Yeah. Yung mga bata, mga naka-shorts lang. Ayan, lamig-lamig. Samantalang ako, no? 4 na patong yung damit ko. Dahil sobrang lamig. Sila mga naka-shorts lang naglalaro sa labas. Ay, naku, kailan kaya matatak. Look! The black cat, honey! Did you see that? There! There!
Training places in England under new legislation proposed by the government.
But in the other... Kasi dito, pag black cat, di ba sa atin pag black cat, hindi siya maganda. Sa kanila daw swerte yun. Ewan ko sa mga to, baliktad sila. Kaya sa tuwing may dadaan na black cat, tumataya kami ng loto. Ang ending, wala eh. Ganto-ganto lang sa umaga. Ang ang lungkot. Basta makulimlim, ang lungkot-lungkot ng paligid namin. Alam mo yun? Hindi siya masaya. Oo, may side daw. Tingnan natin, may side.
More precise in your actions.
Okay, no. No. No.
Could have.
Be careful, honey. This is very, after this one, and if you are, after this, you can go. O, diba? Dalawa kaming taga-tingin. Pansin nyo, no, ang lungkot. Lungkot-lungkot pag mga ganito.
Your door is open.
Oh, my door is open. Oh. May police. Buti na lang. Timing. Nakakatakot pag ganun. Baka anuhan kami. Bawal talaga. Lago natin ng konti. Baka ma-award tayo. Unang award ng 2026. So far naman. When was the last time you have honey ticket for speeding? When mom died na?
Yeah. Racing down here.
Yeah. Oo, nag-speeding kami dito. Kasi nga, napalitaan namin yung mother niya. Kailangan na namin pumunta ng London.
I didn't even use it as an excuse. Oh, yeah. I didn't even use it as an excuse, and what I did was, it didn't matter. I'd still speed,
Yeah.
even if I had to do it again, and 10 times I'd speed.
Oo, kasi noon, tama, naka-receive kami ng call nung nandito na kami. Nasa kami, nagda-drive siya. So sabi ko maghanap ka muna ng pwedeng Tapos yun nga na-receive na, sabi ko mukhang importante ito kasi ring kasi hindi talaga siya tumatanggap ng
Your mum comes first.
Yeah. So, ayun. You did go to school, honey, for how many hours?
Yeah, I had to go there for a load of hours.
And then you pay
Like to pay.
120?
Yeah, something like that.
120
Didn't
pounds?
care.
Yeah.
Would do it 20 times if I had to.
Yeah, because talagang na-shock kami na sabi na kailangan na namin pumunta ng London dahil yung mother niya baka hindi na namin abutan. Mom is 93 ha?
I don't know.
93 years old. So nagmadali kami makauwi para i-secure yung bahay bago kami pumunta ng magbiyahe papuntang London. Ayun nga. Naabutan pa naman namin. Pero na talaga siya. Hindi na siya nag 24 hours. Nagkaroon ng speeding for the first time. Speeding talaga siya. Nakakatakot pag may mga pulis. Alam niyo, kasi baka makita mahigpit dito. Pero pag call naman, yun lang. Pero pag video, hindi siya pwede tumanggap ng call. Unless, pero kahit na naka-speaker ka pa or naka-connect yung phone mo sa car, pa rin siya, hindi pa rin siya maganda. Kasi yung attention mo mawawala sa daan. Ang attention mo ay nandoon sa tawag. Kaya minsan hindi rin maganda nag-receive ka ng call kapag nag-drive ka. Snake honey. Yan. Nick is doing the beat. Bahay ng pamangkin ng asawa ko, Ellie. Kaya yun nga. Diba napahaba na yung ating daldalan. So, andito na tayo. Paliko na tayo. Papunta na tayo sa aming munting tahanan. Munting palasyo kung saan ako ang reyna at siya ang hari. Ayan. Ayan naman. Sa mga horse. Ayan. Dito kami nakatira. Sa gitna ng kabukiran. Ay nako, natapos na naman ang isang umaga papunta ng Tesco. So say, bye honey, bye. And
Bye!
then said, subscribe,
Subscribe!
click the notification bell.
Yeah, I don't know that one.
Oh, bye! Thank you sa panonood.